to episode 199 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about extended fraud alerts. So, in the previous episode, we talked about the initial. Now we're talking about the extended. In the next one, we're going to talk about the active duty. So, when it comes down to extended fraud alerts, you guys need to know that an extended fraud alert is basically a fraud alert that is going to be on your credit report for 7 years, and it requires creditors to take additional steps to verify your identity. So it's 7 years. The initial one was only 90 days. You can get that renewed. This one is actually 7 years, and it's available to individuals who actually have confirmed identity theft, and they have to provide supporting documents such as a police report or FTC identity theft report. You guys have to make sure that you guys have it confirmed. Actually do the police report or do the FTC report. You can do the FTC report online. I think it's identitytheft.gov. Don't quote me on that, but Google it, and you should be able to find the FTC identity theft report so you can fill it out online. Now, the impact of the extended fraud alert, the impact of it is that you guys will know that creditors are going to take the extra mile to always, they're going to go the extra mile to always make sure that they verify that you are who you say you are. A lot of times they're going to just request additional information from you. And usually they'll have to call you too. They'll let you know that they'll get back to you in like 7 to 10 business days on application, but then you'll get some type of email, call, or something from them saying that they need to verify your identity before they can approve you for the credit card. So I love that. And sometimes it's just security questions. Sometimes they may need a copy of your ID, each one of them is different, but the impact is that they're going to ask for information, and then you're going to still have access to, people going to still have access to your credit report, but it tells creditors they need to just basically confirm that it is you. Now, it is long-term protection, so it provides protection for up to 7 years, and this is for people that actually have confirmed identity theft or fraud on their credit report. Now, if you want more time, then you are going to have to apply again. If you want more than the 7 years, so you have to wait till that is over, and then you have to actually apply again to get your additional 7 years if that's what you want. Again, a fraud alert and security freeze is two different things. A security freeze is nobody can look at my credit reports. It's a complete lock on your credit reports. A fraud alert is just alerting them, hey, I know you got my credit report. Somebody said they want to apply for something. It could be me or it could be somebody else. We don't know. Can you please just verify my identity? So it's just a fraud alert. It's just where creditors are going the extra mile and verifying your identity. Now, keep some things in mind. This is not a security freeze. I tell everybody they need to put a security freeze on their credit report. When you want to apply for something, then go and call them and apply for it, because I remember when I first started getting credit, it would be I'll wake up one day, oh, I want to get a credit card, like no thought to it, didn't know anything, very young. Now that I'm older, I plan for different things like this. Now, like, oh, I want to get this credit card here because this is what I want to do with it. It's gonna give me 0%, or I could do this with this thing. And I plan for certain things, like, oh, I want more cash back on this, so I'm gonna wait until this time and apply for it. I plan for these different things, and there's nothing for me just to call and get the security freeze on. You may go years without applying for anything, so you want to have a security freeze on there, knowing that no one can apply for anything. And you want to continue to check your credit reports too. Even though you got this fraud alert on there, you still need to check, because some companies still may let people get accounts in your name, and or maybe they got the verification information that they needed and they verified themselves as you. So you just want to make sure that you're checking your credit reports. And for those people that need to actually put this freeze on here, I actually have the phone numbers here so that you can call them. So to actually place the extended fraud alert, you can call all 3 credit bureaus or visit their website. You're going to need to provide a copy of the police report or FTC identity theft report to verify that you are a victim of identity theft. And then you should receive confirmation in your email. Maybe they'll mail you the to let you know that you do have the extended fraud alert placed. But extended, you guys, when you think of extended, think about you have to actually provide the FTC report, and you have to actually or you need to provide the police report. And the FTC report to me may be a little easier for people. You can do it right at home online. You don't have, depending on police station, they may have different things you need to do. That FTC report can get you where you need to go. Okay. So definitely make sure you guys check that out, and let's check out my website. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts to your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events that I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and this can actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now. So you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card. And it's going to repeat for multiple cards. So you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here, and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. if you want the 6 months of free letters. This is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the Mega Dispute Letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you have any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports with Identity IQ. And it's a $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different Credit 101, Home Buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you can see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some of the reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.